Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm so glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm on the road to 1,300 subscribers, and I have a nice giveaway once I reach that goal. So just stay tuned for that, and I appreciate your support. Today we are unboxing my Boxycharm Premium, and I can't wait to see what's in it because I barely remember my choice. So this is a $35 a month subscription, and you can subscribe to it if you have Boxy base box, and then after that you can drop the base box if you just want to keep the premium. And we will need my spectacles today. And this is lucky. Let's see how lucky we feel today. And this is what our box looks like. And we have the calculator to figure out what the value is. And the first thing that I saw is the Too Faced Hangover Good to Go Moisturizer, SPF 25. And Hangover Good to Go Protects gives you the hydrated, glowing complexion you want while shielding you from daily harmful UVA, UVB rays with broad spectrum SPF 25. This lightweight, dewy moisturizer is your daily source of antioxidants, vitamin-enriched moisturizers, and sun protection. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. I'm not going to use it right now because I have quite a few moisturizers open already, but it is a nice size tube, and it is 1.4 fluid ounces. And it says, apply every morning prior to sun exposure. Use 3 to 4 pumps directly to clean face and neck after cleansing. Avoid your eye area. So that's great. That is going to be great for the summer. So that is a $35 value. Next up, I have here Glam in Paradise Gold Foil Mask infused with cannabis sativa seed oil. And this is, it says, get into the state of bliss with cannabis. Get into the state of bliss with cannabis. Woo! Meet Glam in Paradise Cannabis Sativa, your new Glam and Chill skincare routine. These gold foil leopard pattern sheets masks are infused with cannabis sativa seed oil and designed to deliver total skin satisfaction and Insta-worthy selfies. So it looks like they are face masks, so that is really nice. Everybody loves a face mask. And it's a 3-piece set, and it is $18. Next up, we have the Diva Eye Brush set from Beauty Diva London. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, there we go. They are orange and they are synthetic. There are some nice looking eye brushes. And this is perfect your eye looks with this cruelty-free brush set for eyeshadow and eyeliner, MSRP $48. That's a pretty good MSRP, and they're textured. See, they're textured handles. And those will definitely stand out in your selection of brushes, you know, because most brushes are dark or light handles. Well, there's all kinds of colors, really. But these orange ones will stand right on out. Next up is Kiss My Something by Rowan. Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm. All right. What is it with Boxycharm and lip balms like the last few months? I'm like over the lip balms. A non-sticky alternative to classic lip gloss, this lip balm soothes the lips and nourishes, regenerates, and repairs. Formulated with mango and grapeseed oil to hydrate and protect, it provides high shine of a gloss with the nourishment of a balm. $26. And this is in the color Charlie, which is a real pretty color. I'm not saying, and when I say, you know, what's up with the lip balms, I'm not saying that I don't like lip balms. I'm not saying that lip balms aren't fantastic. This is a beautiful color, and I will give this a try. I have a whole collection of lip balms and tinted lip balms by my chair. And I'm not going to open it all the way. I want to keep it fresh. But I will put this in my rotation and check it out because it is a gorgeous color, which is perfect for me. And that was $26, as we said. But lately, there's been lots of lip balms in our boxes. And, you know, freshen it up. Get some new ideas, Boxy. You're kind of slagging. And this is the Glow Skin Beauty Beta Clarity BHA Drops, Salicylic Acid, and Retinol Clarifying Serum. And let's see what it says about this. These reformulated drops feature clarifying alpha-beta hydroxy acids to eliminate impurities, rebalance excess oil, and visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and pores, while radiance promoting retinol smooths and revitalizes. Perfect for all skin types except extremely sensitive. So all but sensitive. So it's for everybody but sensitive at the same time. And this is $48. Oh, one more thing. And it is the Ultimate Cover Foundation from Becca. I don't think I was expecting this because the Glow Drops was my choice. I didn't get any kind of eye palette or anything. Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-hour foundation, a full coverage liquid foundation featuring 24-hour water and transfer resistant wear with a breathable natural finish, $44. So it's in the color Shell. I don't know if that's going to match. I am very fair. It looks like it could match. Let's see. I mean, it's a surprise to get this foundation. Come on, Becca. A pump, a pump, a pump, 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 pump. There we go. We got a couple little squirts out. It's yellow for me. It's very yellow. I am a more cool, neutral kind of person, so this foundation is not going to work for me. It can go onto the Macari though. Somebody on Macari might like it, but that is just not good for me. So let's go over what we got. We got a 3-piece mask set. We got a foundation. We got the Too Faced Hangover Good to Go moisturizer. We got the lip gloss balm. We got some eye brushes, and we got a serum. So let me just retally this to make sure I have all the prices correct. All right, our box today has a $219 value, which is great for $35. And you know, these two things make my box okay. I'm not extremely happy with this box. Foundation that doesn't, like, usually with foundations they let you choose the color, and I didn't get to choose the color. And these brushes just seem okay. And the serum, there's so many serums that I already have, and you know, all the skincare, it's mostly skincare. I've got so much skincare. Where's the makeup? You know, I know the foundation is makeup, and this has a tint to it, but seriously, like, I'm kind of bummed. This is not my favorite premium box, and I can only say there's only been one or two other ones that I just wasn't thrilled with, and sad to say, I am not thrilled with this box. I have some nice things, but it's not anything, there's nothing that's like, wow, I can't believe I got it. And that's the thing that I was loving about premium, because there was almost something every month, at least one thing that you're like, wow, I'm so glad that's there. And it's just not happening for me this month. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.